In this video, I will show you how to count cells that contain numbers in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some data. Now I want to count the cells that contain numbers in this column. To do that, I am going to use the Excel count function. The count function returns the count of cells that contain numbers within the given range of cells. The count function has only one argument that accepts cell references, ranges, or even hard-coded values. So let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type count followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the data cells. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have a count of cells containing numbers. The count function returns the count of the cells containing positive as well as negative numbers and ignores the blank or empty cells, as we can see from this example. Since percentage values, date and time values are treated as numbers in Excel, the count function counts them as well, as we can see from this example Excel data. If any formula returns a numeric value, the count function includes the cell containing that formula. However, if any formula returns blank or empty text or any value other than the numeric value, the cell containing that formula will not be counted by the count function. Watch this video to learn how to count cells that contain text in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.